guys, magluluto kami ngayon ng pusit. Ngayon naman guys, ay ilalagyan ko na ng dekado. Yan guys, kapag aromatic na, pwede na natin ilagay yung pusit. Okay mo ako ng sili lang. Ngayon naman guys, ay titimplahan ko na ng pampalasa para sumarap, asin. Lagyan ko ng magic sarap at asin. At kalamansi. Yan guys, kalamansi yan guys. Ngayon naman guys, ay kukuha ako ng pangkalamares ko. Dito na ako guys kumuha sa adobong pusit para mas malasa.
Everyone was shocked and very scared, but the new Titan Clubman decided to confront them with his new identity. All the skills came on the lookout, but with just one move he managed to defend himself, applying his power of time. Not even the biggest one was saved. We were all amazed. He's already a hero of the city. Thank you. This is great! He's the new Messi!
Madali lang talaga itong lutuin guys kasi naluto ko na rin naman to kanina. Kaya madali na lang itong prituin. Ito guys, pwede na to. Yan na guys yung adobong pusit. At ito naman yung inadobo ko at ginawa kong calamares. Konti lang naman guys yung ginawa ko kasi yung mga anak ko hindi mahilig dito. Ganyan lang.